Yes, bhai.
Yeah, let me ask for the control.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we are writing a member in 02. So actually, we have given the read 02.log. So already file is available. So if
Yes.
we will give the redo 02, if like we will give the same name, so it will give the file is already exists.
It got an error like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what we will do dot log dot
Dot log.
to group 2. Okay.
Yeah. To group 2. Okay.
Yeah, to group 2.
Yeah. Got it. Is group 1 or it is group 2? Okay. So order by 1.
Here. So here, if we check the 02 dot,
A dot log.
yeah, here you can see redo 02a dot log is also available. In group 2, as we can see, two groups is available. Okay.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Two members, sorry, two members is available. So also what we will do, we will add a member in redo 03 also. Okay.
Yeah.
We will add a member in redo 03 dot a dot log to group 3.
J3. Okay.
Okay. And if we will check, then you will get the groups for third one also. Here you can see group 3 has
Yeah.
2 members.
Right.
So these are the three. And what I will show you, I will add a member in the fourth one, and then
Okay.
again I will remove a member from the fourth one. And then also
Okay.
I will show you how to drop a group. So if
Okay.
I will add a member in the fourth one, so also I will show you how to remove the member from the fourth one and how to drop a group. So we can see the bot with the fourth one. And for and the group 1, group 2, and group 3 will have to operate the database. Okay. So
Okay. Okay.
what we will do, we will add a fourth one also. We will add a member in fourth one. Okay. 4a dot log to group 4.
Yes.
So if we will check by using select command here, we will find the now the fourth group is also have the 2 members.
Yes.
Okay.
Right. Right.
I have shown you how to add a group. I have shown you how to add a member in a group. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
And now I will show you how to remove a member. But before that, you need to check the member, means like group and member detail. So where you can check by using describe v dollar log file. So here we have the member groups and the status. Okay. So what I will show you, I will show you the member. Okay. Common status from v dollar. Oh, sorry. Oh,
Memory spelling. Member spelling.
yeah. So it's showing the invalid. Why it's
Yeah,
showing invalid? Because we have added, okay, and we
yeah,
cannot switch the group. So that's why it's showing the invalid. If we will switch, alter, let me show you one more thing. Select group has, comma, members, comma, status from $log. Here we are using the $log file. As I
file.
told
Yeah,
you, there is a two views, $log file and $log. It will give you the groups and member status. Okay.
okay.
Here we are seeing like second is showing the inactive for second group. Means like group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4. Each member have the two members.
Yes, right.
Each group have the two members. Okay.
Yeah,
So these two means each group have two members. Okay. So this means the inactive, current, inactive, unused. Means unused means why we have added newly and database is not used yet. So that's why
okay.
it's showing the unused.
Okay,
Current
unused.
means in second group currently database is writing something.
Okay,
So
bye.
always remember if the status is showing active or current,
Okay,
okay, you will not be able to drop those groups.
okay,
Okay, if it's showing inactive or unused, then you will able to drop.
okay.
If what I said, if it's showing uh, firstly,
Current and active means we should not drop it.
yeah,
Inactive.
listen, if it's showing current, it means your database is currently writing the data in that group.
Yes.
Okay, so you will never ever run the drop command for that group which have the current status.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
either if you will try forcefully, then it will your database will got corrupted.
Yeah. Okay.
So always remember, if it's showing current, then don't run the drop command for that group. Also, you will not be able to drop that group. Okay,
Okay.
database will not allow you to drop that group, but always remember, always keep those things. If the group status is current, then you will not run the command drop for that group.
Okay.
Okay, so always remember this. If it's showing active, active means just our let me show you. If here you are seeing whatever the newly we have added the newly members, it's showing the invalid.
Yeah.
Every newly added. Redo 01 is showing invalid. Redo 02A is showing. Redo 03A is showing. Redo 04A it's showing. And for 4 it's showing unused. Unused means the database still did not use the fourth member.
Yeah.
So that's why it's showing the unused. Okay, so what we will do, we will switch alter system switch log file.
Okay.
Okay, now we will first run this command. Okay, and see here for the fourth one, it's switched. It's not showing for fourth one invalid. Here you can
Ah.
for 4A, redo 04A, it's showing invalid. But
Yes. Right.
here you can see for 4A, it's not showing invalid. It's showing
Right.
invalid for this. Now we will run this command. Okay.
Yeah.
And here you can see for redo 0 means like for group 2, it's showing active.
Yeah. Active.
Because before that, it was the current.
Yeah.
So that's why it's showing active for the group 2. And the fourth one is the current.
Current. Okay.
Okay. And
Yeah.
now, if you want to drop the group 2, as I said, you will means like you don't run the drop command for the current. Okay.
Yeah.
So if you are thinking like for group to run the drop command for group 2. Okay. So
Okay.
for active group, database will not allow to run the drop. For inactive and for unused, you will able to drop.
Okay.
For the active and current, you will not. Okay. So what we
Okay.
will do, we will switch again. And here I
Okay.
see here for 4A it's not showing, but for 1A, 2A, and 3A it's showing. So again,
Yeah.
we will switch one more time. Okay. Now we will again check the member status.
Yeah.
Here you can see for 3A, it's invalid is removed because currently
Yeah.
database started to write the data in 3A. So
Right.
here
Right.
if we see now, so for 3A it will show for 3 group where it's showing the current. For now when we execute this group, so it will show you the for third group it will show you the current.
Yeah.
Here you can see for third group it's showing the current, and for second and fourth it's showing the active.
Yes.
Okay. So suppose as I told you, I will show you the drop. So suppose your fourth is showing the active, and I am trying to drop the member from the fourth group. Okay. Alter database drop log file member in single quote. I will give the fourth member. Okay. And see what it will give you. Okay. It's executed. Yeah. Why it's executed? Let me explain you the thing. Because here we don't have the data inside the fourth group.
Ah, yes. Right.
Have any data. If
Right.
we
Right.
had the data, so firstly, active means what happened? If it's showing the current, so current means by using log writer, LGWR database write the data in the group from RedoLog buffer कैसे to online RedoLog file.
Yeah. Okay.
So current means that. Active means ki we can say the whatever the data was available in the previous group where data bus was like for the fourth one. Before
Yeah.
our fourth database was the current. Okay.
Right.
Where our database was writing the data in the group 4. So whatever the data, so you will not able to drop this group till the group 4 data will be means like if database will not write the data whatever the data was available in the fourth group. If database means archive log process means archives process archived, if not write those data in the archive log, so till that time you will not able to drop that group. So here we don't have the any data inside the group 4. So that's why we were able to drop the group 4. Either what happened here, also we have only dropped a member. So that's why it was allowed to drop.
Yeah.
So what I will do, let me check the status again. Here is the 4. And now here you can see because we have already dropped a member. So that's
Yeah.
showing 1 only.
Yes. Right.
What we will do, we will try to drop the group. I think this command will get failed either. Let me check.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
Yeah, let me check. Alter database drop group 4. Okay. Alter
Yeah.
database drop group sorry. Alter database drop log file group. drop log file group 4. Okay. Here it will give you the error.
Yeah,
Why?
yes, okay.
Because currently your database means like your group status is active.
Active.
Why
Okay.
you will not able to drop that group.
Yeah.
So let me check again. Okay.
Inactive now.
Now it's showing the inactive. Now
Yeah.
what we will do, we will try to drop it again. And now,
Yes, it delete, yeah, dropped.
yeah, drop. And
Okay.
if we will check on that location, so physically it not removed. So on OS level, you need to remove it physically also. Okay.
Okay.
So always remember, sometime what happened, oh sorry. Sometime what happened, sometime like if our database currently running on the group uh, third one, and suppose your group one got corrected, okay, you are getting alert in the alert log file. So
Yeah.
also you can fix it because currently database is not writing in the group one and the group one, yeah, and group one was corrected. Okay, so what you will do, you will easily drop that group and then recreate it again. So group corruption also got fixed by using that one. Means
Okay.
drop the same group, and how I shown you na ki we can add the group by using this. Okay,
Yeah.
so
Okay.
you just drop that group by using this command. By using this command, you just drop that group one and then again recreate it.
Okay. Again, you can recreate. Okay.
Yeah, again recreate it. So it will fix your error. If your group corruption only in the group one, so you just need to drop the group one and recreate it. So it will also fix your error. Means always 60-70% chance will fix the error. Group corruption error will fix.
Okay.
Okay.
But can you please once again repeat the last point, by last issue?
This one,
This one only.
yeah, look, why we get, because the fourth one is active.
Yeah.
Active
Right.
means whatever the data was available or status is active, means
Yeah.
whatever the data was available in the group. So archival process, as I shown you in the uh, architecture, there is a
Yeah.
one
Yeah.
which is fetch the data from the groups and write it in archive log,
Yeah. Right.
right?
Right. Right.
Yeah, archive log, which is need for the recovery.
Yes.
So
Right.
that's why it's given, what is given, log 4 needed for crash recovery.
Yes.
Okay. So crash recovery means ki it's showing active, means still the data is available in the group. So that's why the status is showing active.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So if
Yeah.
suppose on that point, if your data, if your archival process still did not write the data from the group to archive log,
Yeah.
so it means the group 4 data is available in the group 4 only.
Yeah. Right.
It's not available in the archive log.
Yeah.
Okay. If suppose before generating the archive log for the group 4, your database got corrupted.
Yeah.
So what about those data which is available in the group 4? So
Yeah.
that's why the status was showing the active. So, and we are trying to drop that group. So that's why it's showing the log 4 needed for crash recovery. If something happened in your database, yeah, crash happened. Okay.
Yeah.
So this data is needed for the database recovery.
Yeah. Understand.
Okay.
Right. Right.
If the status when the group 4 status will be inactive, like
Yeah.
here when we have checked after it, so database like group 4 status was showing the inactive. So when
Yes. Right.
again we tried the drop, so it dropped easily. Why? Because archival process successfully write the data from the group 4 to archive log.
Yes. Right.
So that's why after it, the database allow to drop it.
Yeah.
Now
Okay.
you can drop this. So that's why
Yes.
you are able to drop this.
That's right.
Okay. So there is a three things: current, active, and inactive.
Inactive. Okay.
Unused for like you have just created a group and database still the database is not used that group. So that's why it's showing the unused.
Yeah.
Okay. So unused in simple logic, na, you can think in your mind, what is mean by unused?
Yeah.
Like if you have a cloth and you did not use, you just purchased around 10 days or 40, 15 days before, but you
Yeah.
did not use, means that
Unused.
cloth is unused. Still that cloth is unused. Yeah, it's available in your luggage, but it's still unused.
Yeah. Right.
So same thing here. We have created a group, but database did not use yet. So that's why it's showing the unused. When
Yeah.
it used, then it will show you the inactive or current or active.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. And
Sure.
inactive means there is database is used, means like database is currently using these groups, but there is no data available in these.
Yes. Right.
You want to drop or recreate these group, then you can do this.
Yeah.
You can drop that group, you can recreate that
Yeah.
group.
Great.
It depends on you. What you
Yes.
want to do, it upon you. So you database will allow you to do that. If you want to drop
Yeah.
it, then you can drop it. So this is the inactive means.
Yes.
So
Right.
if you have the group status is inactive or unused, so database will allow you to drop it. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
But if the status is active or current, then database will not allow you to drop it. For
Yeah.
active means that data means still the data is available in the group and
Yes.
archival process is writing those data from the group to archive log.
Yeah.
So database will not allow to drop it because that database when if suppose something happen in the database, then database need those data to recover.
Yeah.
So that's why
Right.
database will not allow to drop that group which is status having the active. And for current means currently your database is writing the data in that.
Yeah.
So this is the mean.
Understand.
Okay.
Got it. Got it.
These are the things. So here we have dropped the group. Now we will check the group here. So here we will find only three groups is available and each group have the two members.
Yes.
I have shown you like how to add a group. I have shown you how to add a member. Okay.
Yeah.
You had learned like what is active, inactive, unused, and current.
Current. Yes.
Okay? And how to drop a member, how to drop a group,
Yes.
and
Yes.
on which stage, what means of a group if having the what status. So you need to be drop that group. So
Yeah.
is the status. If you have the inactive or anything, then you will able to drop it.
Yes.
Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. So these are the things.
Yeah. And I have one doubt. We are giving the alter system switch log file.
Hmm.
So while giving this command, is when all the logs which are there present in the buffer cache somewhere log uh, location, it will move to the data file location, like RedoLog file or RQ logs.
Look, what happened? As I told you, ki like whatever the data is available in the group, if suppose the group size is 200 MB
Yes, right.
and still it's writing,
Yeah, writing. Yeah.
yeah, writing. And suppose the group size is around 200 MB, so at least it will write the data up to around 160 or 170 MB.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
Yeah.
So before that, you want to force to the database to switch the group.
Okay.
Okay. So whatever the sizing means, if suppose you are having only 40 MB data inside the group, so it will generate archive log by size 40 MB one.
Okay.
If and when database will switch, if it will reach up to 160 or 170 MB, then database will switch the group.
Okay.
So that archive log size will be a 160 MB or 170 MB. That will be the max size of the archive log.
Okay, understand.
Okay. And this is the like we are forcing to the database to switch the group.
Yeah.
Okay. Suppose here
Understand.
we are having the like currently here you can see current log sequence is 10. Okay.
Okay.
Current log sequence is 10 means what? On OS level, if you will check, the 10th log will not be available. Means
Yeah.
currently your database is writing the data.
Right. Current log sequence. Okay.
Yeah. In current log sequence, still your database is writing the data. It's not still switch.
Right.
Currently, it's writing only.
Yeah. Understand.
Okay.
Right.
So I will show you just a second. Here you can see here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is available.
Ah,
Okay.
yes. Yes.
We don't have the
10.
10th one.
10th are not available.
10th is still writing. And
Yes.
we have just switched. Okay. We have
Okay.
just switched. So that's why here you can see these are the maximum number of sites.
Ah, yes.
Okay. And here, as we can see, here we have only around 4 KB,
Yeah. 4 KB.
right?
Right.
So this is the means like we are forcing to the database. Like when if suppose we are going to take a backup of the database and we want whatever the data is available in the database, so we want to take a backup. Suppose your application has been stopped already. It means
Okay.
no transaction will come to the your database. So
Okay.
whatever the transaction is available in current or in your data files or in your archive log, that will be the last transaction. So your
Okay.
last
Understand.
transaction, where your last transaction you will get in your current redo log.
Okay. Understand.
Yeah, that transaction also will be in your data file. But for
Yeah.
the recovery process, database will look for that transaction also. So it should be available in the archive log.
Okay.
Okay. So what will be the best method if after suppose application team is saying we have stopped the application? It means no transaction will come through the application. So whatever the transaction available in the data file and archive log file and in the redo log file, that will be our last transaction. So
Yeah.
that
Understand.
last transaction will be available in the current log file. So what we will
Okay.
do, we will switch 2 or 3 redo log.
Right.
So
Right.
what
Okay.
transaction available was in current log file, it will switch 2, 3 times. It means it will generate whatever the transaction was available. It's available now. It's available in the archive log.
Okay. Got it.
Now there is no data means like there is no data is available in the buffer. We have
Okay.
complete data in the data file and in the redo log. Sorry, in the archive log file. So we can
Okay.
easily take a backup of that database and we can keep that for the safest.
Okay.
So that
Got
is
it.
okay.
Why I'm asking because of actually we have production DR servers. We are checking the
Yeah.
sync status now, like thread one, thread two sequence applying log and MRP is applying or not.
Mm-hmm.
So today we are observing that hours difference is there, like 1 hour or 5 hours difference is there in
Yeah.
sync DR level. So that times it is a good practice to give RQ system switch log file in production,
Yeah.
or it
Right.
is a bad practice. That's why I have doubt.
Yes.
That's why I asked that point.
You can give this.
Yeah, okay. Because every time we checking the tower difference is there,
Yeah.
example 11 hour, 5 hours means.
Why we are switching and checking means we are switching means what archive log is generating on the production side.
Yes,
Okay.
right.
So whatever the archive log is generating on the production side. So in the DR like system, so we are checking like the whatever the archive log is generating on the prod, it is replicating on the DR side or not.
Yeah, right.
Okay, so that's why we are switching. Like whatever the switching is happening on the production, is
Yes.
it's like instantly it's replicate to the DR side.
Yeah,
Your DR database is received and apply, received
right.
and apply.
Yeah.
So it's happening. So this is the like thing which like we need to perform in the DR side. So we will learn. I will
Yeah.
show you the DR setup. I will show you the like switch over, switch back, how to open our standby database in snapshot standby. Okay. So I will show
Okay.
you. But
Okay.
when we reach in the last stage, so I will show.
Yeah. Sure. Sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the things only. So
Okay.
this is the control file multiplexing and redo log file multiplexing. So what
Yes.
I will before each session will get complete, I will copy all clipboard and paste it in your notepad. So this is for the control file.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
I'm requesting you to save it as a control file multiplexing, and the second one is the
Redo log multiplexing.
yeah redo log multiplex. Okay.
Yeah. Sure.
So you just need to save this
50, 51 files. 52 files. Okay.
yeah 50 and 50.
Okay. Control file 50 and redo log file
Yeah,
multiplexes
you
52.
can see now here we have perform all the commands for the redo log.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Definitely.
Yeah, and for the 50, you can see the this is for the control file only.
Yeah. Sure.
These are the control file only. Okay.
Yeah.
So you just save it after this session. You just
Sure.
save these two like commands.
Yeah. What are
Yes.
the sessions we have now today? Complete session. I have to save it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Also, I will share the video. Okay.
Yeah. Sure. Sure.
Of the control and stopping the recording.